Game. 15 minutes on the clock. And to shoot. Pass to move for 2 points. Wala. Rebound by Katigbak. Follow up. Basket. Okay, tuloy lang. 2 points by Katigbak. Short. Rebound by Lahara. Good. Katigbak. Susubok ng 2 points. No sir. Rebound by Lahara. No good. Rebound by Mu. Katigbak for easy basket. Wala. Rebound by Niknok. Now fake for 2. No good. Katigbak 2 points. Yes, 2 points Katigbak. Assist by Mu. Tuloy lang. Now pick for 2 points. No sir. Mukhang hindi yung favorite na bola. No good. Rebound by Katigbak. 1 point. Rebound. 4-0. And to shoot. That fakes. Pass to Taufik. Short. Rebound by Katigbak. Tuloy lang. Katigbak susubok wala. Rebound by Niknok. Clear. Reyes dribbling the ball. Fires for 2. Short. Move. Attempt. No good. Rebound by out of bounds. Black ball. Move for 2. Basket.
1 minute.
Taufik drives. Lays it up. No. Malakas. Then to shoot. Mu, sumubok ng 2 points, walay. Rebound by Ted, steal by Mu, steal by Lahara. Lahara for 2, wala. Pass by Mu to Katigbak, wala. Rebound by Taufik. Niknok, lays it in, 1 point. Lahara to Mu. Back to Lahara for easy basket, wala. Taufik for 2 points. Walay talaga. Reyes. Back to Reyes again. Clear. 5 to shoot. Taufik. Katigbak for 2. No. Out of bounds. White point. Taufik. 2 points. 11 minutes 36 seconds. Katigbak Lahara. 10 to shoot. Foul. Number 11. Offensive foul? Foul, Ted. One free throw awarded to Lahara. Pasok kaya tabingi. Kita. Niknok sumubok! Niknok, 2 points. Katigbak crossover blocked by Niknok. Lahara fakes, drives, fakes, lays it up. Yes, sir. 11 minutes remaining. Ted, turn around. Walang mapasahan. Pass to Niknok. 5 to shoot. Niknok. No sir, rebound by Taufik to Niknok. Niknok fakes, pass to Ted. Ted lays it up for 1 point. Then to shoot. Pass to Katigbak. Katigbak for 2. No sir. Rebound by top by Niknok. Out of bounds. 10 minutes. 7-6 in favor of 7. Black. Mo, a test for 2. Bang! Shooter talaga yun. Nick Knock, 10 to shoot. 5. Nick Knock for 2 points. Short. Rebound by Lahara. Lahara fakes. Cutting back for 2 points. No sir. Rebound by Taufik. Back to Nick Knock. Back to Taufik. Taufik for 2. Bang. 2 points. Taufik. Cutting back. Fakes. 8 to shoot. 5. Lace it up. 3. 2. No. Rebound by cutting back. More attempts. Out of bounds. White ball. Time remaining 9 minutes. Nick Knock, sumubok tapos. Stop by Lahara, out of bounds. 9-8 in favor of Black.
No, it's white ball.
Rebound by Kadigba. Short. Black by Taufik. Top to Nick Knock. 10 to shoot. Taufik. Short. Rebound by. Out of bounds.
Boy, travel. You see what I mean?
Huwag niyo i-hold ng bola. Good yun. That's a steal. Move for 2. No sir. Rebound by Ted. Ted. Dribbling the ball, 10 to shoot, fakes to Taufik for 2 points, fakes, traveling violation. Traveling violation. Time remaining, 8 minutes and 11 seconds. Lahara, 8 to shoot, drives, fadeaway shot, no good, rebound by Ted. To Taufik for 2 points, short, rebound by Lahara. Lahara clearing the ball to Move, Move 2 points, short, rebound by Lahara again. Steal by Nick Knock, yes. To Ted, 10 to shoot. Ted drives, no good. Cutting back, susubok ulit, wala pa rin, rebound by Ted. Nick Knock, tapos pa rin. Puro kapos ah. Ted, foul. Move, walang number.
Ilang foul mo?
7 minutes, 19 seconds. Okay, clear. Drop to shoot. Move. Attempts. Short. Up by Nick Knock. Lumipad si Nick Knock. Pinasa kay Ted. Pass to Taufik. Screen by Ted. 4 shot. No sir. Rebound by Move. 7 minutes. Lahara fakes for 3. Lace. Foul. Foul tayo. Lahara for 2, basket. Nick Knock, 10 to shoot. Drives, 8. Ted drives, nakawala, foul. Foul by Katingba.
Counted or
No,
no?
not counted.
Counted, no?
Counted? Basket. Not counted. Ted lays it up, basket. Move, fakes. Tumira, short. Pass to Katigbak, susubok ng 2 points. Short, rebound by Nick Knock. Taufik, pass to Nick Knock. Olinares, pass to Ted. 8 to shoot. Ganda naman ang play na yun, kaya lang short. Lahara, fakes for 2. Pass to Move. 8 to shoot. Move. short pa rin. Rebound by Lahara. Lahara, susubok. Ako na lang. Wala pa rin. Taufik. Libreng-libre. Basket. Katigba. 11-11 ang score natin. 5 to shoot. Move. Fakes. To Katigba. Violation. Shot lock. Huwag nyo i-hold ang bola sa kalaban. Still yan. 9 to shoot. Taufik. Back to Olinaras. Back to 10. 5. Foul. Good. Nick Knock for 2 points. Basket. Time remaining 5 minutes. Move. Sumubok. Binawi. Yes. Bawin-bawi. 10 fakes. Spins. To Nick Knock. Ganda naman ang pasaw. Kaya lang wala. To Lahara. 10 to shoot. Nakawala si Lahara for easy basket. Wala. Lahara ulit. Pass to move. Clear. 5 to shoot. Kapos pa rin. Rebound by Katigba. 4 minutes and 21. Official score 14.
I think it's 31. Ah, no.
Rebound by Taufik. Basket. To move for 2. Ganda naman. Wala. Rebound by. What's the call, ref?
Foul?
Time out. Black team.
Ilan na foul nila?
Foul lahat. 4 team fouls na team 4.
Or six fouls ka, no?
7.
Seven. Eh, tawag, hindi ko maano kasi...
Oh, yeah, okay.
Isa lang ako eh.
So you're not playing semifinals?
Wala na, hindi talaga
Yeah.
makita.
Versus who? Morris and John? 2 versus 3? I think 2 versus 2? You already played versus the one we know. This is semifinals. So what? They're
What?
lacking
I
a
can
point
take
there.
this guy.
It's okay, 2 versus 3. We have Rami Connect today.
nga pala, no?
Hindi, kuli.
Pwede ba yan? Nalaro daw?
Sunod ka ba?
Mamaya. Parang 3BP tayo. Kapagod yung 2BP eh.
Time remaining 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Official score. All 14. Karam, can you whistle also? So you will be... Kaso wala ng PT yata.
You stay here.
Hello.
You control the time. You need to reset. Yes. You know, right? Yeah. Click to start. Wait.
Welcome
Sige.
to the funeral everyone.
You have the whistle. Why are you asking me?
How many minutes? 4?
4:14.
Shawarma wants to know how many minutes.
4:14.
4 minutes, 14 seconds. مرة لا أنا عملت مقبرة.
Check ball. Nick for the jump shot, no good. Rebound by Robert. Nick gets the ball. It goes. Pass to Taufik. Taufik thinks about the shot. Takes the 3. No good. Robert gets the ball. Robert the ball. Foul.
Free throw.
Free throw for no free throw. Taufik for the 3. No good. Rebound by Nick. Nick gets the rebound. No good. Taufik for 2. No good. Rebound by Ted. With the ball. Ooh. Nick. Out of bounds on there. Wait. Break cycle. Sorry? 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Ball with Robert. Thinking what to do next on Ted. Ted not playing very good. Move for the shot. Ah, no good. Rebound for Ted. Black ball. Time out. And we're back. Robert looking to drive to the basket. Strong and foul and one. Tawfiq passes off to Ted. Not able to dribble the ball. Tawfiq going to the basket. Foul. Down. 2 minutes, 15 seconds remaining. Tawfiq for two, no good. Ted gets it. Passes to Tawfiq, no good again. No good. Robert for two, bang! Robert puts them up. Tawfiq for two, no good. Foul.
17-15.
Score 17-15.
6 foul.
How many fouls?
6.
Mike stopped working. Hello. Test.
No good for Tawfiq. 1 minute 48 seconds. Black leading by 2. 1 minute 48 seconds.
Who's leading?
Black by 2 points. Tawfiq, good. Robert looking to increase the lead more than 1 point. Robert. Ooh, no good. Rebound by Nick. Ted to Nick. Nick looking to dribble it out. 5, 4, 3. No good by Nick. Move for the shot. Bang! For Moo makes the lead 3 points. 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. Ted looking to drive to the basket. Oy, careful.
7 fouls.
7 fouls.
7.
1 shot awarded to Ted. 1 minute 3 seconds remaining. 1 minute 3 seconds. Black leading by 3 points.
1 minute 3 seconds. Hello. Ted. Listen. Ted. Test.
Ted gets the free throw. 1 minute remaining. Robert to drive out to the basket. Robert, no good. Steal by Ted. Tawfiq for two, no good. Rebound by Robert. Gives it out to Moo again for two, no good. And it's out of bounds. 40 seconds remaining. Black leading by 2 points. Ted for two, no good. 30 seconds remaining. Out of bounds.
Time stop or continue?
Wait.
Time stop is 1 minute.
Okay. 25 seconds. 25, it was 35 seconds. Now it's 25.
Because he played.
Yes. Good. 25 seconds. Robert looking to waste time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No good. 10. Back.
Ball, ah.
Good.
Taas lang.
And start. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And it's time. Black team wins by 2 points. On to the finals to lose against Brian Karaman Ram.